BuzzWord includes a few frames that can be used with your lettering. Use the File Insert Frame command to select one. Once inserted into the design, it is selected. Just drag it into the desired position. Click on an empty area of the design outside of the selection to clear it. We are now ready to add text. Use the Create Text tool, but instead of clicking on a starting location for your text, drag a box the size of your desired text. As you type, the letters adjust to fill the rectangle. Adjust the size of the box text by dragging on a corner. Move the text object by positioning the cursor over the stitches and dragging it into the desired location in the hoop. Box text may also be used to create custom monograms such as the one shown. Just create several text boxes and adjust the size and position of the initials. You can also select multiple objects and arrange them using the Arrange Objects tool.